Yay, yay! We got some scratch spreads asphalt by the shore.
A armadillo drives bulldozer pushing dirt.
Another big mound by
Trees and dirt,
beats and scoops with excavators so strong,
lifting the heavy soil all day long. Chick steers skid load around the pail,
filling it up without a fail.
dog pulls backhoe working with care, digging up ground here and there. The elf drives grader clearing the way, leveling roads for trucks each day. Falcon lifts with tall crane wide, swinging the steel from side to side. Goat rolls loader with steady charge,
Moving the gravel pile so large,
hamster drums roller with paws so small,
flattening roads for one and all. I Impala drives dump truck through dusty vine,
carrying loads right on time.
Jaybird swings mobile crane frame,
Placing the beams just the same. Kiwi guides trencher by hollow log,
cutting the trench through morning fog.
lobster grabs with clamshell tight, scooping the sand with all his might.
Magpie lifts beams with handler string, stacking the loads with careful wing.
Newfoundland drives mixer on ice,
Pouring concrete smooth and nice,
oh octopus pumps cement wide,
filling the forms from side to side,
penguin scrapes road with planer back,
smoothing the surface along the track.
Quetzal swings crawler through jungle vine,
Lifting the beams in steady line,
our raccoon steers forklift around town,
stacking the pallets up and down.
swan spreads asphalt by the shore,
Paving the roadway more and more,
toad compacts and gives a pull,
pressing the ground firm and full,
You'll drive scraper a mountain stone,
shaping the earth he calls his own.
Vicuña swings drag line through drifting snow,
Digging deep where roots can grow,
Walrus lifts dump truck strong and long,
hauling the gravel all day long.
Xenops drives pile driver tall,